Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Scientist. Today's our topic is environmental changes in the world. We talk about the causes, consequences and solution of environmental changes in the world. Environmental changes are one of the biggest challenges facing humanity today. These changes have far-reaching consequences affecting everything from human health and well-being to the stability of ecosystems and global climate patterns. Causes of first we talk about the causes of environmental changes. There are several causes of environmental changes, including natural phenomena such as volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. However, the most significant drivers of the environmental changes are human activities, including industrialization. First point is industrialization. The rapid growth of industrialization has led to an increase in pollution, deforestation, and depletion of natural resources. The burning of fossil fuels has also led to increased levels of greenhouse gases in the environment and the atmosphere, which contributes to climate change. Number second, land use change. Land use changes such as urbanization, agriculture and deforestation have had a significant impact on the environment. Deforestation, for example, has led to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity and increased carbon emissions. Number third, overconsumption. Overconsumption of natural resources including water, food and energy has led to depletion of these resources and increased pollution. This is especially true in developed countries where consumerism is remnant. Consequences of environmental changes. Environmental changes have far-reaching consequences that affects human health, ecosystems and the economy. Some of the consequences include, first of all, a climate change. Then what is climate change? Climate change is one of the most significant consequences of environmental changes. Rising global temperatures have led to melting glaciers, rising sea levels and more frequent extreme weather events. Loss of biodiversity. Environmental changes have led to the loss of biodiversity, with many species becoming extinct or endangered. This is the loss of biodiversity. Number third, water scarcity. Environmental changes have led to water scarcity, with many rains, falling drops and water shortages. This has a serious implication for human health and agriculture. Now we talk about the solution to the environmental changes. To address the environmental changes, we need to adopt a holistic approach that addresses the root causes. Some of the solutions that can be adopted include, first of all, conservation and restoration. We need to conserve and restore natural habitats, including forests, wetlands, and oceans. This will help to protect biodiversity and mitigate the impact of climate change. Number second point, renewable energy. We need to shift towards renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, hydropowers. This will help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the impact of climate change. Number fourth, sustainable agriculture. We need to adopt sustainable agriculture practices that reduce the uses of pesticides, fertilizers and other harmful chemicals. This will help to protect the environment and ensure food security. Number second, education and awareness. We need to educate and raise awareness about the environmental changes and their impact on the environment and human health. This will help to encourage individuals and communities to take action towards protecting the environment. In conclusion, environmental changes are a significant challenge facing humanity today, with far-reaching consequences. To address these changes, we need to adopt a holistic approach that addresses the root causes. This includes conservation and restoration, shifting towards renewable energy sources, adopting sustainable agriculture practices, and raising the awareness through education. With concerted efforts, we can mitigate the impact of environmental changes and ensure a sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. Thank you very much. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel.